How you can secure your stored passwords in Firefox so no one can hack it. A lot of people use the saved password feature in Firefox so that they don't have to bother to enter passwords for the websites they visit often. Firefox can save usernames and passwords that you use to access online services, such as banking and email websites. If you share your system with anyone, it is recommended that you use a master password. Firefox offers users the option of implementing a master password so that the user would need to enter that master password in order to use their saved login passwords. By default, Firefox does not use master password to protect stored credentials. How to define a master password? Define master password. Navigate to Tools, Options, click on Privacy and Security. Check the box next to Use a master password. And then make sure you create the strongest password possible. Let me enter the password. The password quality meter will indicate the difficulty of guessing the password. To create a quality password, your master password should include the following: at least one capital letter, one or more digits, at least one non-alphanumeric character such as @ hashtag, $sign, %sign. Enter the password a second time to confirm that you have entered it correctly. To set the master password, click on OK. Master password successfully changed. Now you need to close the Firefox and open it, so it will save all the updates you have made to Firefox. Let me close it. Now open the Firefox. Firefox is installing your updates and will start in few minutes. Now if I go to Privacy and Security and click on Saved Logins, it will ask me for enter your master password. If I click cancel, it will not display anything. But if I enter the master password and click on OK, it will display the listing of saved websites. Let me search for my Gmail account. Now when I click on show passwords, it will again ask for master password. After entering master password, I can see all my username and passwords I have saved for the websites. Okay, so now it will display the username and passwords for all the websites I have saved. By doing this, all the username and password which you have saved with Firefox will be secure and no one can access it, even if anyone has access to your system. Now let me close the Firefox and open it again. Let me log into my Gmail account. It will ask for master password. If I click on cancel, then it will ask me to enter the password. It will not show the password I have saved for my Gmail account. I have to enter the password over here to log into my Gmail account. Now let me refresh the browser. It will again ask for master password. I am entering my master password here. Now it will show my saved password and I can log in to my Gmail account. My Gmail account bhavesh.chunch@gmail.com is logged in now. I am closing the browser and opening again. My Gmail account will be logged in. Because my last Gmail session is already saved, I did not log out of my Gmail account. Now if I try to log in to other Gmail account, it will ask for master password. Let me enter master password. And click on OK. Once per session, you will be asked to enter the master password in order to view saved usernames and passwords. This feature is important so that other people using your system can't view your stored credentials for your various web activities. We have learned how to define a master password. Now let's see how you can change your master password. Changing master password. Navigate to Tools, Options, Privacy and Security. Click on Change Master Password. Enter the current password to confirm you are authorized to change it. Let me enter my current password. Enter the new password twice. To accept the change password, click on OK button. Master password successfully changed. Suppose if you don't need a master password, you can remove it anytime. Let's see how you can remove it. Removing master password. Navigate to Tools, Options, click on Privacy and Security. Uncheck this mark, use a master password. The Remove Master Password dialog will open. Enter the current password to confirm you are authorized to remove it. Let me enter the password. Now click on Remove button. Click on OK in the dialog that appears to confirm its removal. You have deleted your master password, your stored web and email passwords. Form data and private keys will not be protected. Click on OK. In this way, you can successfully remove your master password. Using the master password feature, you can protect all of your locally stored usernames and passwords with a master password. Please make sure you remember the master password you have set. In case if you have forgotten your master password, you can reset it. Let's see how to reset your master password if you have forgotten it. Reset master password. In the address bar, enter the following location: Chrome /pippki/content/reset password.xul and press enter. Before clicking the reset button, please read this warning carefully. If you reset your master password, all your stored web and email passwords, form data, personal certificates and private keys will be forgotten. Are you sure you want to reset your master password? If you click on the reset button to reset your master password, it will remove all your saved usernames and passwords.